to the next generations. Otherwise, whatever good things as a father or mother we have done, it will be erased by your own children. Time will come. An example of Ramlinga Raju in the Satyam scam. Everyone in this in our country is blaming Ramlinga Raju. But I believe, I've been part of Satyam for some time. I know the person is a really honest guy, and he's really one of the essential. Now a lot of times you'll find father is a very honest guy, but sometimes they get exploited, either some weak areas of your wife or the weaknesses of children. If you don't have given the right values to your children. What I mean to say is, if you go to the Andhra, they still feel proud of Ramlinga Raju, what he has done in Hyderabad. And they'll say the truth. What is the reason behind this? The reason is his wife and their children, and his children. Children, they want luxury in his life. Wife wants more property. Now time has come, he has to, because he has the only property is Satyam. Now, but children wants, Satyam is not going. Satyam has started something 87. So Infosys started at 81 and we started at 87. Infosys has reached a big success. But Satyam still is not going after a few years of struggle, because now the time has come, so many multinational has come. TCS is going in on his own, Infosys, Wipro has come. Now once the market has opened, the IBM, Accenture, a lot of other companies has come. Now everyone is fighting for one deal. To get one client, everyone is fighting. In that competitive market, Satyam is unable to grow further. So at that time, children started, see, Daddy, we are not growing further, we are losing our money, our money is going to the salary of all the employees. So, at present time, there is a demand of infrastructure. This infrastructure market is booming right now. Wherever all the major cities, infrastructure is the big booming market. So children started, and wife and children, they started pressurizing Ramlinga that you transfer Satyam money to their infrastructure company, Matthias. You must have heard about. So what happened? Because sometimes already all our fathers, you know how you get exploited by your own children and wife. Sometimes, I'm not talking about all wives are like that, but sometimes it's our taqdeer, we sometimes get exploited. So that is the reason. And once children exploited, wife also, mother के प्यार इतना हो जाता है कि वो उनके प्रेशर में भी आ जाते हैं. जब माँ प्रेशर में आ जाता है तो माँ क्या चाहेगा? Let's husband take care of all these things. So started in 2002-2003, he started all the money in the Satyam account to his Matthias account. क्या करेंगे? He's मजबूर. The first son, he wants to marry a beautiful lady. So he wants to give a lot of gift to that lady. Big foreign cars and everything. So from where money will come? One is infrastructure company, and another is he wants to marry a beautiful lady. So these things, he thought, okay, few crores is not a big thing. But slowly he started sleeping on his own ethics. So time has come. He thought he'll get back those money by investing in certain areas or investing in the stock market, but market gone down during the 2006-2007. He lost a lot of money on that also. Now what happened? The scam came. Now no one will accuse finger to wife or children. It's ultimately जो राजा होता है उसके ऊपर लोग पॉइंट फिंगर करते हैं. देश में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है, कोई मिनिस्टर्स काम करता है, कोई चीफ मिनिस्टर काम कर जो भी करता है, always point fingers to the prime minister that during your period this kind of scam has happened. So similarly, the family level में हम सोचेंगे, the blame always go to the father, right? The same thing happened here. So still I'll blame the father also. I'll still blame the Ramlinga Raju because he didn't instill the values and ethics required for their children. Or he didn't give that kind of command. He doesn't have that kind of command on his wife also. And that's why he lost, and he brought all the bad name to himself, to the company like Satyam. Satyam was the third major company in India, right? After TCS, Infosys, and Satyam during 90s. Wipro came very late. It's because of this parenting quotient. If you don't instill right values in the right time, जो बच्चे होते हैं उसी टाइम में अगर आप वैल्यूज नहीं देंगे तो दे विल बी आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल वंस एट अ सर्टेन स्टेज, एंड देन अगर आप वैल्यूज देंगे तो उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं रहेगा बिकॉज दे हैव बीन ऑलरेडी इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द आउटर एनवायरमेंट. सो सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद द PQ. So it's very much essential that you must instill those things for the next generations. Next comes the happiness quotient. It is very much essential to have a big success in life. Why this? These two things, SQ and HQ, spiritual quotient and happiness quotient, is very much essential because there's a law called law of attraction. You must have heard about what is law of attraction. सुने होंगे शायद. उसी में वो क्या कहता है, like attracts like. अगर आप खुश हो, then only the prosperity comes in life. That's right. आप खुश या किसको, you want to smile at someone. How are you? If you say with a happy mood, if you have a happy mind, he will give me the same kind of vibe or same kind of positive energy to me. If I'll say, hi, how are you? Or he say, how are you? I'll move my face. How do you feel? You'll feel insulted, right? I'm not giving any importance to him. So this is a kind of negative energy he's sending to me. When he sends negative energy, the relationship breaks. Or someone calls you, you didn't pick up the call. What happens? The other person will be able to understand your feelings, that he is avoiding me, he is neglecting me, right? The energy breaks at that moment. Whatever we call different God, whether it is Allah, whether it is or Jesus Christ, or our own Hinduism, the Bhagavan, is all man-made. But as per the science, this Albert Einstein has already proved, everything is run by energy, some kind of energy. And it's transformed in a different way. It never destroyed, it just transformed. If you send the positive energy to this world, the positive energy will get back. That's the saying, what goes out of you comes back. If you send positive vibe, the positive vibe comes back. If you send negative vibe, the negative vibe comes back. In relationship, in health and everything. So that is, happiness question is very much essential. How do you achieve that happiness? Smart way and hard way to achieve that. And the next comes is MQ-DQ. What is that? It's called marriage quotient and dating quotient. Marriage quotient. Marriage for the married people, dating quotient for the young guys. There's always a smart way, hard way is there, right? Some people will feel, you'll find, they have such a nice relationship with their wife. When you have a personal relationship in good vibe, your success rate is very high. Because everything is inside your home, right? If you are disturbed inside home, it will reflect in the office. And you go to office, you scolded your subordinates, and subordinates get depressed, he couldn't do good work, then he will give a bad work, or he will submit a very bad work to the client. Again, client comes back. Why you did this? Why you did this? The subordinates will be fired. Once subordinate is fired, the blame goes to the boss. Boss again feels depressed, he comes back to home, he blasted his wife. So this